Ever wondered how to use Bitcoin in the DeFi world? You're in the right place. Bitcoin itself can't interact directly with DeFi platforms, but don't worry, you've got innovative ways to make it happen. First up, Bitcoin-based Layer 2 solutions, Stacks, RSK, and Liquid add smart contracts and faster transactions to Bitcoin. Use your Bitcoin on these platforms to dive into DeFi. Next, Wrapped Bitcoin or WBTC. It's a tokenized version of Bitcoin on a 1:1 ratio. You can use WBTC on Ethereum-based DeFi platforms for lending, borrowing, and more. Want to use Bitcoin as collateral? Some DeFi platforms let you borrow crypto against your Bitcoin without selling it. Here's how to get started. 1. Choose a DeFi platform like Aave or Compound. 1. Set up a compatible wallet like MetaMask or Ledger. 1. Deposit your Bitcoin or WBTC. 1. Participate in DeFi activities like yield farming or liquidity provision. Remember, prioritize security and understand the risks. DeFi is exciting, but be cautious of scams and market fluctuations. Unlock your Bitcoin's potential in DeFi today.